Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 8th, 2020. And this particular video, we're going to do a first video for Theta token paired against Tether on the Binance exchange. It's our first video. We're going to try to track it. It has been getting a lot of attention. You guys can literally see based off this price chart that the demand has been increasing for this token. So we felt we'll go ahead and create a video for it just to get our premise as to what we're seeing from the trap and give you all a heads up as to what to expect from its price movements. Now, before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's that easy. It's not confusing. Hit that bell notification so you become notified whenever we upload our videos, because trading is not supposed to be complicated. And we've been showing you all that for about 3 years now. So make sure you join us. Join us on our social media platforms as well. All the links are in the description of this video. So now let's dive into it. Visually, you can already tell that Theta is in an uptrend. So already the mentality of the market is looking to see higher price. This is what the trap is displaying to you, and he's showing to me. He's telling us already, I want to increase the value of this particular token, and he's been successful at it. Now the question is, can this market continue to see higher price? Because you can see that Theta is trading at areas of all-time highs, which is around 80 cents. Can that continue? Well, let's look at this first. All right. So this area is the trend that the market in Theta token currently is in. All right. You can have one thing about trading and looking at charts is that there's no actual correct answer into how you draw your lines. No one can tell you is wrong. No one can tell you is right. It's based on what you see. The market is free flowing, right? So looking at this particular line right here, you can tell that this is the trend on a daily basis of which the trap has been trading, right? And looking at the market on a 3-day basis, have we been able to really show that the market is still exhibiting strength? Because we haven't. These bars up here on a 3-day basis is showing us exactly that we're running across some selling. This is what the trap is displaying to us, that there is selling going on around 75 cents to 80 cents. And we cannot break price below 70. And we're trading around that particular area right now. 5-day chart. Once again, these two 5-day price bars is displaying to us that selling is going on in the market. So the premise that the market can continue to go higher in price, I'm not seeing that yet. I'm not seeing the demand in this particular space for Theta. 2 weeks chart, very, very good price chart. The last two completed 2-week price bars. Those look fantastic. Here we are now on this current 2-week price bar. And it's not exhibiting what we saw the last prior 2 weeks or 4 weeks. We're not seeing it. Okay. Now, 2 months. The market and Theta just catapulted. Every price bar you see is 2 months worth of price action. And the demand has continually been seen in Theta. But let me show you this. This is 2 months. So as the market in Theta continue to move higher price, what's been going on with the volume, right? It's been decreasing. Volume is the engine, it's the vehicle, it's the fuel that pursues price. Volume has been on a decrease as the market's been going higher in price. We're losing gas. we're losing the fuel to continue to push Theta higher in price. It's that simple. Okay. So I'm just giving you convincing points from the trap on what he's been laying out for us to substantiate how he feels in regards to Theta and if he's going to continue to increase the price. So for us, we're not feeling bullish at all at this particular moment in Theta, right? But that doesn't mean that I'm expecting the market in Theta to crash. You know, we got to be realist. We got to understand that the market doesn't always move in that particular way. And from what the trap has laid out for us, doesn't exhibit that the market's going to crash. Now, I do see some areas of support that I will be paying attention to see if he's going to uphold the market. And the first area is right there at 65 cents and then 60. Those are the two areas that I'll be looking at to see the trap come in and try to maintain that support. Okay. So looking at the market in Theta on a 5-day time frame, again, this market is exhibiting to us some weakness. So let's do this. So we're going to continue to play a tad of weakness in the forecast for Theta. Not an enormous amount, but we're just going to play a little bit of weakness from the trap, right? So we told you this 70-cent area needs to be maintained. If the 70-cent area for Theta is not traded below, meaning on a daily basis we're closing below 70 cents, then the market is definitely exhibiting more strength, and this forecast that we're creating will be invalidated. It will not be accurate, I'm telling you that now. So 70 cents is the only thing that's really going against our particular forecast, that the trap, if he maintained price above 70 cents, this forecast is not right. All right. But overall, 65 cents would be the first area of support, around 65 cents, because you guys can see right there on the 6th, and then again on September 27th, that was the low. So maybe around 69.5 for TP, which would be 3 3/4% profitability market movement lower. All right. So we're going to continue to play this in the market for Theta. We're just going to play a small decrease in price, 65 cent ultimately, but if the weakness continues, the market's going to come down and tag out at 60. Okay. So this is our expectations. This is our forecast. Now it's your opportunity to tell us your price forecast for Theta. Are we going to continue to see higher price or lower? Tell us what you think with a comment in the comment section. And it's that easy. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain that profitability, and we'll speak again.